All right, today I want to show you a couple of clasps on some bracelets or bangle that I just finished making and just explain how they work so that when you're working on your own projects, give you an idea for different ways to do some closures. So here are two different bracelets. Each one has a slightly different style. This is a rigid bracelet, it's quite large, and it functions simply by pulling this. See, it still won't open. And you pull the pin and it opens. And you can simply put it on like so. Push the pin in and close the clasp. So that's pretty easy to do one-handed. Also open it, pull, and open. Now what this also has here is you can see this little bar here that keeps the pin from coming out. You can see here that the ball has a groove. It goes all the way up, so it stops right there. It has to get within this ring here so that this can slide in and clasp. Overall, secure, and you're not likely to lose any of the parts, so that's one good option. This is a flexible bracelet, and it simply has a box clasp here with pins on each side, so you have to open up 1 and 2, and it opens. It just has a key here. The key helps you just to line it up for flipping these over 1 and 2. Also, I want to point out when I made this box clasp, I drilled holes all the way through the clasp and through the leather. After putting the leather cord in and setting it with epoxy, I drilled through and then all the way through on these two cords and then welded the other ends and buffed them smooth. And that's just an extra layer of security to help keep these pins or these cords in place. That's all for today.